Here's I will explain why depression hits hard and some tips that will help you. You are struggling from anxiety, so let me help you with this fam. Personal growth and self-improvement journey is hard, but it doesn't mean that you need to struggle. It's a fun path of leveling up, so let me show you some hacks. Why you feel depressed? Anxiety comes from not knowing your future. Depression coming from the past. But let's change that by understanding Bandura Curve. The Bandura Curve is based on the work of Albert Bandura, famous psychologist, who studied how people develop their beliefs in their own abilities, what be called self-efficacy. The curve shows a powerful truth. At the beginning of any challenge, our confidence is high, but actual skill is low. As we start learning and facing obstacles, that confidence crashes. This creates a dip, a low point where most people quit. They think, maybe I'm not cut out for this. But in reality, they are just in a valley, the painful middle of the curve. If you push through the valley, keep practicing, learning and adjusting, your skills begin to rise, and eventually your confidence catches up to reality. That's when the flow happens. That's when mastery begins. So next time you feel like quitting early in your journey, remember, you are not failing. You are just on Bandura Curve. Keep going. Let's erase your anxiety. For that we will use visualization and journaling. If you get just a little better each day, even 1%, it makes a big changes in a year. It's called compound growth, and it's real, and it's 37% a year. First is anxiety and quieting your mind technique. Before you go to sleep, just give yourself 20 minutes of preparation. Just sit, dump all your thoughts on paper for 10 minutes. After, walk away. After 10 minutes, reread it, write one sentence in summary, and flush it. It's hard to keep all thoughts and ideas in mind, so I invented my journaling technique. You need to create second memory for yourself. Here's my invention of journaling, and there are 2 steps. The second one is achieve everything you want method. Write a calendar and add some things that you must do every day, like meditations, journaling, reading, etc. Write your month goals on the second page. What is your future self? It's the clearest version of your future that you want. It reduces anxiety and gives yourself direction. Trust me. I was diagnosed with clinical depression and anxiety. But when I created a vision of my life 5 years from now, what I feel, what am I doing, with whom are you, what do I eat, something changed. Write it down and reread it every day. Feel it, live it, let it guide you. Because without vision, you are drifting. Depression hits hard, but self-improvement path is fun and great. If you are on this path too, let's walk it together, and subscribe and leave a comment and like. Firstly is meditation, secondly is reading. Before I was not focused, a lot of distracting thoughts was in my head, and I found meditation. Here's the technique. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, start breathing, and feel the air going in and out your nose. No thoughts, just feeling. Start by doing 5 to 10 minutes. Once you quiet your mind, it's time to organize your thoughts with journaling. What a lot of people don't like to do. Reading, but it's necessary fam. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day will keep you inspired and motivated, and you feel smarter. Your future self just needs to be smarter. Just put this in your journal. Let me, psychologist and business owner, help you on this path. I advise you to read the book Jung, Memories, Dreams and Reflections, because you can find something interesting and profound for yourself. Subscribe and leave a comment with your favorite book, fam. Let's do it together. Start with one habit today, with one thought, with one breath. And if you wanna see more insights, join to my journey. Have a good flight.